horrific accident on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway when a chemical tanker rammed into a truck which was carrying LPG cylinders. It's believed that there were more than 300 LPG cylinders. Now you can see right in front of me with its absolutely smashed front, that is the chemical tanker which was coming from that side. It apparently has a Gujarat number plate, and it rammed into this stationary truck which had LPG gas cylinders. So if the cameraman can just go a little closer, you will be able to see these are the remnants of the LPG cylinder which exploded one after the other, leading to a lot of explosions which were heard far away. Now, if you can just go a little that side, you can still see how these cylinders were thrown away, and some of them are lying there on the ground there. And the explosions were heard in this area for a number of kilometers. People heard it. At the same time, you can see even here how the impact has actually destroyed the wheels of this vehicle which was parked right here. So a huge accident, and it led to a jam on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway, many kilometers long. The jam has just been cleared. आप लोग यहाँ पे थे क्या उस समय में? कौन लोग थे यहाँ? जी, कुछ सुनाई दिया यहाँ पे? मैंने सुना है कि बहुत जोर से आवाज़ हुई थी.
हाँ, ब्लास्ट तो काफ़ी आवाज़ आ रही है. ब्लास्ट हुआ.
ब्लास्ट हुआ था रात को 10:20 के लगभग, कम से कम 1 घंटे के लगभग
ब्लास्ट चलता गया.
एक के बाद एक टंकी फटता रहा.
So a very major accident that happened. It's lucky that there have been not many casualties, which could have been much more, because the cylinders which were in this stationary truck, and the truck had stopped here, the driver and his assistant had stopped here to have dinner at this dhaba right here. But when the stationary truck was rammed into with a chemical tanker, then explosions started one after the other. And like you heard that person say, these explosions actually went on and on for 1 hour. Major accident on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway, leading to a traffic jam on what is the main highway connecting Delhi to Ahmedabad. In Jaipur with camera person Sushil Kumar, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.